Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we are sharing an update on MonoSolutions CMS and how to use the widget on your MonoSolutions website. I mean, this is a very nice CMS for, I would say, any company because it's really easy to use and it's like fully featured. So let's go to the editor. This is the MonoSolutions editor. You can edit content or the design. We are going to focus on the design of the site because it's where we can add the widget. So of course you have templates, you have pages, you have design. This is all your website design itself. To add the widget, we go to site settings. Let's go here, and in this drop down menu we can go to global HTML tags. This is the section where we can add the widget. As you can see, we can add the widget here. So that's it. We can have, you need to save, of course. You need to, let's go back here. We need to, if we change something here, we need to save. When it's saved, we can publish. That's it. Super simple, super easy to use, and it's done. So the widget is here. The widget is in our website. It's floating, it's working, fantastic. Let's say we want to add to this website a booking system with WhatsApp. So that's what we offer. So let's go to bookings. Let's take some bookings we have here. Let's see which one is working. I don't know. Let's go to widgets. Let's go here. Let's take this one, for example. And we have the support and we have this widget. Okay. So let's say we want, to have a booking system. What we need to do is we need to add to this agent a calendar. Okay. So let's put it here so we can see it. This is the widgets bookings. So now we have a like a calendar system to get bookings. So let's take this widget, let's copy the widget itself, let's go to the website. We don't need this one, we need this one now. So let's go to the editor, not here. I want to choose the other website. So I don't want this one, I want this one, the templates. Okay, this is where we want to go. Let's go to the editor. Okay, edit design. This is the beautiful website, and we want to have a calendar, like a booking system for this, this template. So we go to settings, the same HTML, we paste, we save. When it's saved, we can click publish, and that's it. Now we have a beautiful website with a cool calendar system for your clients to book a meeting, to book a reservation, anything you may want to do with it. You see, we confirm and we get the lead. We get the lead, we get the booking, everything inside MonoSolutions. So this is working. Now let's say you want to have this booking, this calendar, instead of floating, you want to put it like here, like where the you want to replace this contact form with our system. The same is something you can do. Let's go to the editor. Let's take this widget. What we are going to do is we are going to embed, instead of the widget, we are going to embed the form. So I'm going to unlock, I'm going to block the calendar for now, and I'm going to take this code that is the form itself. I mean, you can take the form anywhere where you can add HTML, you should be able to put it. So this is for, instead of the floating widget, we want to embed the widget itself in the HTML, not like here. Like we want to replace this form with the form we provide. No, so let's go down here. This is the section. We can delete this. Just this is empty. Okay, I want to add HTML. Search here. Okay, HTML is here. Nice. We paste the code. Done. Normally you don't see it. Normally it's like you need to save and publish. So that's something that is normal. I mean, the HTML preview, is hard because it's, it's like, I don't know, rendering is complex. So, most of the time doesn't work. So you need to really go publish and then you can see it. It's not taking the, okay, now it's working. You see? So you can have a widget here. That's an option. And you can have the form itself here in the page itself. So both options are working, easy to use, simple. So, you can have a fantastic website with a nice WhatsApp widget and a nice, form inside your page. So, I think it's cool. We love Mono. So, let's do more. Thank you. Bye-bye.